नंबर 75 सूरह القيامة आयत नंबर 14
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة.
But look, man is well aware of himself.
Message from this ayat.
If you are admired by others, even with words which are hypothetical to define your personality, it will not benefit you. In the same way, if someone hurls bad words while describing your personality, even though it is incorrect, you are not at a loss. No matter how good a person becomes, there are always some people who dislike him. Even the prophets were not liked by all the people. In the same way, no matter how much a person is involved in debauchery, some people love them in every situation. Even Pharaoh and Namrood had lovers. Mutraf bin Abdullah says, Imam Malik asked me, "What do people say about me?" I replied, "Friends praise and enemies backbite." On hearing this, Imam Malik alayhi rahmah said, "People are still doing the same. We seek refuge from Almighty Allah that everyone starts speaking in the same way." He also sought refuge from all people starting to praise him, and he remains in delusion, and also sought refuge from all people starting to talk evil about him. And then some of the statements that people make starts showing their effects.